if you're experiencing crashing issues in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can improve performance and stability in games. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher Steam, for example, and navigate to the game library. Right-click on CS2, select Properties, and then click on the Verify Integrity of Game Files option. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in CS2. Go to the Settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadows. This can help if your system is struggling to run the game smoothly. Step 4. Check system requirements. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. If your hardware is below the required specifications, consider upgrading components like RAM or the graphics card. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing CS2. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume resources and lead to crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate crashing issues in CS2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.